morning, grade 1. Our lesson for today is about the kinds of nouns o uri ng pangalan. The first kind of nouns is proper nouns. Proper nouns is the name of people or places such as your name, your friend's name, your parents' name, or the name of your town and country are special naming words. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. In Filipino, proper nouns ay tinatawag na pangalang tiyak o pantangi. Ito ay tumutukoy sa tiyak na ngalan ng tao, bagay, hayop o puok. Ito ay nagsisimula sa malaking titik. Halimbawa, Jill, Binibining Verde, Dr. Cruz, Farmer's Market, Nestle Fresh Milk. Number 2 kinds is the common nouns. Common nouns are naming words that are common to people, places, things, and animals. They are general names, so they are not capitalized unless they sentence. Example of common nouns are girl, boy, doctor, dog, or school. In Filipino, ang tawag sa common nouns ay pangalang ditiyak o pambalana. Ito ay tumutukoy sa ditiyak na ngalan ng tao, bagay, hayop o puok. Ito ay nagsisimula sa maliit na titik lamang. Halimbawa, mag-aaral, guro, doktor, palengke o gatas. Other example of proper nouns o pantangi and common nouns o pambalana. Dr. Jose Rizal, hero, bayani. Bohol, province, lalawigan. Nike, shoes, sapatos. St. Beatrice Academy, school, paaralan. Christmas, occasions, okasyon. Miss Mary Joy, teacher, guro. Ninita, mother, nanay. And Pedro, father o tatay.